I've never really been a big fan of sparklers. I don't think they're all that interesting, and I've never really liked holding them in my hand. So I'm gonna take the ones that I have, crush them up, and see if I can't get a cooler effect out of it. I have these gold sparklers, but I also have some pink and some green so we can see the difference. So let's see what that looks like. With this one, I'm just going to push this cup underneath this piece of wood to see what the effect is and see how much it can actually burn that piece of wood. You can see where the cup was sitting, where it got extremely hot, started to change the color of that plywood. For this top, it charred it pretty good. Bunch of little sparkler dusts, I think. I wanted to see what kind of effect it would have on this hot dog. And for this one, I've got a larger cup because I am using a lot more of the dust. This is 33 small plus 3 extra large. And for reference, this is 8. So it's quite a bit more. I might not be able to get the best shot because I'm not too sure what this large pack is gonna do. Here's the effect of that. Like the other one, that steel cup got super hot, so it started to change the color of that plywood a little bit. There's the top of the hot dog. And there's the bottom of the hot dog. I'd say that's pretty crispy. I think my favorite would have to be the colored ones. I really thought that that big bag was gonna be the one I liked the best, but it really wasn't as impressive as I was expecting it to be. All right, I want to thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, I got a similar video right here. And like always, if you have any cool, neat ideas, feel free to share that down in the comments below.